Hi everyone, this is Hung and I am building a prototype for a secure finance um, trading data tracker as well as a compliance MCP system that is built for safe financial trading analysis. So this is the ASEFIN MCP, which is stand for Authorized Secure Expense and Financial MCP system that is used for live data as well as tracking real insights on different stock markets as well as pricing on certain markets as well. So this is using real data from the EODHD that is utilized for a lot of applications in financial trading industry as well as trading markets, and it always track within the last 24 hours any changes that is observed in the market. So you see, this is for Tesla. For example, the market is open from 9:30 and it will observe the trend that it is able to implement from hours to hours until 5:30 at best. That's how the market is closing, and it could work for 6 stocks that I'm able to show the example for Amazon, Nvidia, as well as Apple. So this is real life data, real time um, market data that been observed for the past 24 hours, as well as um, different ways to utilize the system. So this is a prototype system that I built with live market data to analyze how the market works, as well as utilizing the MCP, which is the MCP system, the Model Context Protocol that was used in a lot of new chatbots with plugins. Saying not just only chatbots with plugin could sounds like something that was um, very normal way of saying, but this is actually a system allowing for lots of technologies to, or even plugins from different services like PayPal or even Google to be implemented in this system. So for the narrator, so for the narrator, I have built an agent, a, a financial agent with some guardrails to help implementing ways that the user can finalize their report as well as analyze their portfolio. So for example, I would like to talk about Disney Walmart price or Disney price. Let's say, what is the Disney price today for the stock market? And this will generate a response utilizing both the live market data as well as the ChatGPT insight, in which the current price of this is $96.28 with a negative 0.34% decrease in the market. And I will say analyze, okay, analyze Disney price. So I will utilize the LangChain agent to analyze the Disney price as well as for the analysis. So it's only able to get from our holding. So I will analyze the portfolio by using this line for the demo. And the idea of this is to let the narrator giving more insights based on the system that was being used from both the live market data and the insights of GPT with LangChain to generate what is the real-time insights, providing with the answers that was initialized for the average price market as well as the change in market in like the fluctuations of the trading markets, like even if the share was increased compared to the price of yesterday or decrease from the price of yesterday. So it's a slight decline from what we have. But how about sending the report to an accountant? this is something that I have been testing for a while, and this is utilizing a new method from Auth0, which is allowing for high for multi-factor agent to help authenticate and sending financial reports as well as other compliance and audits to the user who are using the system for financial analyzing purposes. I will send my address. So once you're able to send your email here, I completely needed to verify that our input was correct and my use cases was able to send the report for this address, and this will connect to the vault in order to test the real-time data, and that has been the use of agents to help fetch market data as well as the ChatGPT model to analyzing how our recent price market in our recent price for certain types of stock in our market work, as well as able to help us send report it as a queue into condensed email for for our users to receive more insights about our financial trading decision. So this has been the demo for ASEFINMCP.